Hello, this is Jerry Becerra with Barbary Insurance, and today I'm going to talk to you in general just about the types of bonds that are available. There are, for instance, bonds that are required for licenses or permits. And for instance, a contractor may be required to place a bond in order to have his contractor's license. Secondly, there are court-required bonds. Let's say you've taken your case to court, you've lost, but you're going to appeal it. Rather than settle, you might be asked to post a bond for the amount, and that bond is held as collateral in the event that you lose your case on appeal. Thirdly, there are lost document bonds. For instance, let's say you've got a valuable stock certificate and it's lost, and you need to put it up as collateral for something else. You may need to post a bond in order to guarantee the value of that certificate. 4, you might have to bid on a job and have your financials evaluated. And so there are bid bonds that are designed exactly for that. And those bid bonds, in fact, then turn into performance bonds, where the bond can be converted and used to guarantee that you are actually going to do the job that you bid on. Finally, there are financial guarantee bonds. A financial guarantee bond turns essentially an asset that is not liquid into a liquid asset. So for instance, you may be placing your home up as collateral for something, but the home is not a liquid asset. You may need to post a bond which can be paid immediately, and then the bonding company can come back and put a lien against the home in order to recover. There are miscellaneous types of bonds, and so sometimes you're going to find a situation that requires a bond that is very unusual. My advice there is get a copy of the bond form. Usually that's available, and the bonding company can actually use the copy of the form and adopt it to the bond that you need. And finally, on a sort of different subject, there are fidelity bonds. Fidelity bonds are when people are bonded to guarantee their honesty. And they're a little different from the surety bonds that I mentioned before, but essentially they also guarantee that there will be money there to pay in the event of a loss. And those are the types of bonds. I'm Jerry Becerra with Barbary Insurance. You can find out more about me and coverage at www.barbaryinsurance.com.